Hello everyone and welcome to the first Java tutorial by Adam from londonbrunel.com. It will be based on the lab sheet number 10 from CS1002. Alright, let's get started. We want to go to File, New, and we want to create the first Java project. Let's call it tutorial 1. Finish. What it did in our package explorer, it created the tutorial 1. The next step in exercise number 1 is to create a new Java class. You can do it in 2 or 3 other ways. First is just to right click on the name of your package and create a class, or you can click this little button and the pop-up will appear. We want to call this class as the hello world, and we want to leave it as a public, and we want to make sure that we tick this checkbox to create a string method. Let's click finish. Right, it has created the Java class named hello world and the main method. Okay, so we have finished with first exercise. We want to go to exercise number 2. It asks us to print out our name. So let's save it, and we want to write the following code: system.out.println, print line, and brackets, quotation marks, hello world. Click save, let's run it, and it's printed out nicely, hello world. Alright, the next step is to change the string in the output to, let's say, our name. Okay, let's save it, run it, it's printed out my name, so everything's working fine. Alright, the exercise number 3. It asks us to delete the semicolon on the end of the line. First, what we can notice is a little red cross that appeared on the left hand side of our panel, and it says it's syntax error, insert semicolon to compile the block statements. Let's run it. It pops up with the little warning message that we want to proceed, and as you can see, it shows the detailed error description that actually the semicolon is missing at the end of the line. Okay, so exercise number 3 is done, and we want to go to exercise number 4. In exercise number 4, we want to create 3 variables: string, my name, it will store your name, and x, int y, and int z. Well, it does not ask you to create the third variable, but I will just do it to make it nice and neat. Okay, so what we want to do now, we want to delete the code from the brackets and write my name plus surname. Okay, name and surname, and in order to actually print out my name, we need to have some value assigned to the variable my name. So we can do it in that way. My name equals and Adam, or we can just say it equals Adam here. It's actually a little bit easier to actually assign the value to the variable when you have actually created the variable. And what it will show us, it will show the Adam with no spaces, and the reason because it does not show any spaces between these two words is because we did not put any spaces after this variable or before our actual printout. So let's put space here, run it again, and it shows just a little space here. Okay, so the exercise 4 is done. Exercise 5 is a challenge exercise. So it asks us to do the multiplication of x and y, but firstly we need to assign the values to x and y. X equals 2, y equals 5. So what we want to do now is z equals x times y semicolon, and instead of having my name plus Adam, we want to have z. Okay, and it printed out 10, which is 2 times 5, so everything's fine. Let's try to change one of these values to 5.2 and see what happens now. It shows the error. So it says that cannot convert from double to int. Okay, there are actually 2 ways to go around that. First way is to create all of these variables